To encode a new Grade 7 Education Service Contracting Grantee, select Encode New Grade 7 ESC Grantees for Current School Year in the navigation panel. Then, click Per Grantee Encoding of Grade 7 ESC Grantees. On the system-generated form, encode the information needed. All fields with asterisk are required. In case the grantee has no middle name, check the box under middle name. Attest that the information provided are true and correct by checking the box at the end of the form. Click Submit. The system will display the encoded data for your review. Confirm to have the encoded data validated. Other options include Edit to go back and change details, and Cancel to dismiss the action. Click Confirm. The system will check if there is a match between the learner reference number, or LRN, and the name of the grantee. If yes, the grantee details will be saved. Otherwise, encoding will not proceed.